Scope defines where variables live and where they can be seen and used in your code. Understanding scope prevents confusing errors and keeps your programs organized and maintainable. There are different levels of scope. Method scope means variables declared inside the method only exist within that method. Once the method finishes, those variables are gone. Top-level scope refers to variables declared outside the methods, typically at class level. This means that those variables can be used anywhere within that class. The block scope is when variables live inside curly braces like if statements or loops. So if you declare a variable inside an if block, that variable can only be accessed and used within that if block. The best practice is to keep variables in the smallest scope they need. This makes your code safer, easier to understand, and prevents bugs from accidental variable reuse.